unless you do it, like I'm going to tell you now to do it, and use the software or similar software. There is no similar software. It's only refinance software in the world, but if you can operate spreadsheets, then you can do the same kind of projections. So that's actually the point I want to make. You have to be able to make projections. Otherwise, refinancing is like having a tiger by the tail. It's very exciting and everything, and you can make a lot of money, but you take a lot of risk. And guys, if you are not taking risk, you're not going to make money. So with this, we take a lot of risk, so we can make a lot of money. And then you will see how I protect the risk, because that's my background. My background is a risk manager. I had the biggest risk management, or the fifth biggest independent risk management group in South Africa, Propcover. I'm a risk manager. So I will show you then how to protect the risk. So this is how I do it. I keep the properties, and I refinance them in a refinance trust. Right, so let's go back to the flip chart. Because this is the easiest way of buying property. In a new development, off plan. I buy existing